Hey everybody, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and I have a project trailer update. Actually, I'm excited about this one. We got jammed up on the wheels. I'm looking for solutions on that, but our friends at ROOFNEST must have been reading my diary because a tent showed up today. I'm gonna slap that on with some help from Dylan, and we're gonna head on down to Texas. Wish me luck. This one's gonna go easy. I know it's gonna go easy. Good trailer, good tent. Fingers crossed. There you go. The install was super easy. It's nice if you got a big strong guy like Dylan to help you. Tent just clamps to the cross beams, super easy. I'm gonna hook this up, take it to Texas, see how she does. I'll see you guys on the next one.